Okay, let's solve this absolute value equation. 2 times absolute value, x plus 8, close absolute value, minus 6 is equal to 0. Step 1, we're going to isolate the absolute value. First, we'll add 6 to both sides. Then we'll divide both sides by positive 2. We get the absolute value of x plus 8 is equal to 6 divided by 2 is 3. Okay, now we're ready for step 2 since we finished our isolation of the absolute value. Now, step 2, we're going to eliminate the absolute value bars. And to eliminate those bars, we have to remember the rule that says when the absolute value of capital X is equal to a positive number C, that means that the stuff inside of the bars, capital X, is either going to be equal to C or it's going to be equal to negative C. All right, let's apply that rule to the absolute value of x plus 8 equals positive 3. That means the stuff inside x plus 8 is either equal to a positive 3 or it's equal to a negative 3. All right, so this is a step where we eliminated the absolute value bars using one of the 3 rules that we have for this absolute value equations. Now, step 3, solve each of the little equations. The first equation, we subtract 8 from both sides. We get x equals negative 5. Or the second equation, subtract 8 from both sides. We get x equals negative 11. So this is a perfectly good solution. X equals negative 5 or x equals negative 11. And you can check to make sure both of your solutions are good. But they will be. They're both good. Now, another way of writing this solution, you could use set notation, curly set brackets, and then list the solutions in any order you please. Negative 11, comma, negative 5. Inside of the curly set bracket. So you don't have to do both of those solutions. You don't have to write it both ways. One of those 2 ways is sufficient. Just make sure your answer has both solutions, negative 11 and, or use the word or, negative 5.